Imagine creating an AI video avatar of yourself that talks, blinks, and makes hand gestures. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your own lookalike AI avatar for free using simple AI tools. So if you want to create better videos faster with an AI avatar that looks and talks like you, keep watching because this will honestly blow your mind. Step 1. Get inspirations. So to do that, you're going to come over to Pinterest and then you're going to create an account if you don't already have an account. So since I have an account, I'll go ahead and search for professional portrait photo ideas. So I'll select this one and then you can just scroll down and look for any image that you like. Select the image you would like to replicate and download it. Step 2. Get your editing prompt. Now come over to ChatGPT. Then go ahead and upload that image we downloaded from Pinterest. Then copy this prompt. I'll show you how to get it before the end of this video. So make sure you stay around till the end of this video. So just come over to ChatGPT and paste it right here. Then click send. So basically what we are doing here is that we are asking ChatGPT to generate prompt for us based on that reference image we gave it, so that it can give us the exact prompt we'll use to edit our own personal image. So you can see that ChatGPT have gone ahead to generate this detailed prompt for us. So the next step is for us to edit our own image so we can replicate the particular style of the reference image. So you can see the prompt it has generated for us. So just go ahead and copy this prompt. Then you're going to go over to Google Docs and paste it. And then you just go ahead and edit it. You can see I added this particular instruction at the beginning. I said replicate this exact style on the reference image I uploaded to you. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. Then come over to Google Gemini. Once you come over to Google Gemini, click on the plus sign and select create image. Then upload your photo. One very important thing I need you to note is that make sure you upload a photo that is natural. I mean with your natural face, without any filters, without any makeup. That will help you to get the best result. So I will go ahead and paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT. You can see how long the prompt is. And then I'll click on send. Just give it a few minutes to create your image. Look at the final results. It's so beautiful and clean. You can clearly see it copied the reference image style perfectly, but it still looks exactly like me. That's the magic of Nano Banana. I even went further and asked it to add a beautiful makeup on the photo, and it gave me these beautiful results. So I'll click here and download it. But wait, this is not even the crazy part. Keep watching because I'm going to review to you the next trick. You can tell Nano Banana to place you in any scene you want. For example, you can turn your photo into a talking head YouTube setup. You can ask it to place you in a clean professional studio. Let me show you how to do that. So I'll go ahead and paste this prompt. So basically, I'm going to ask it to place this subject into a minimalist professional YouTube studio setup. Keep watching this video because before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get this prompt. So I'll click submit and wait for it to generate the image. Look at this result, guys. This is mind-blowing. It doesn't even look like AI anymore. Look at the chair, look at the decks, look at the lighting. Everything looks so real. And the craziest part, it still looks exactly like me. One more thing, I want to show you a trick that will help you to generate videos that make hand gestures. So if you want your videos to make hand gestures, make sure you generate your image in such a way that it looks as if it's making hand gestures. For example, if you look at this image, you will notice that the fingers are folded. Now, if you use it to generate the video, it's not going to make hand gestures. So for you to get a video that will make hand gestures, make sure you ask Nano Banana to turn the image to make it look as if the subject is making hand gestures just like this. So this is actually the image you're going to be using to generate your video. And that brings us to the next step. The next step is to animate the image. Now we want to make the image to talk, make hand gestures and blink. To do that, just simply come over to Google and search for Flow AI. Go ahead and click on the first link and sign up with your Google account. Once it brings you to this interface, click on New Project. Now remember, we are creating our video. So I'm going to click here and then we're going to select video. Use frames when you want to generate image to video. So when you upload a single image, the AI will animate it using the photo as exactly as it is. You can also upload two images as they start and end frames, and the AI will generate a continuous smooth video that transitions exactly from the first image to the second image. But if you select ingredients, then you want to go for subject consistency, meaning that you can upload 3 separate images, like a specific character, an outfit, and a background. You just type a prompt telling the AI how to use the 3 items together. I'll select frames. Click on this drop down arrow to select the model you want to use. As I'm changing the model, you can see that the credit I will be using to generate it is changing too. For example, if I should select Veo 3.1 Lite, you will notice that if I'm selecting 2 videos at the time, I will use 20 credits. But if I'm selecting only 1 video, I will use 10 credits. So just make sure you pay attention to this. And I think that they give you total of 50 credits per day for your video generation. So you have to be very careful in selecting the model to use. And if you use Veo 3.1 quality, you will notice that you will need 100 credits. So you can't be able to generate it if you are using the free version. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to select 16:9, but depending on what you want to create, if you are creating Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, then you have to go with 9:16. And then I'm going to just generate only 1 video instead of 2 videos. I'll go ahead and upload my image and give it this prompt. Keep in mind that you can only generate 8 seconds per video. So you can actually break down your script so that you can be able to generate them and then match them together later. And make sure in your prompt you include clear Nigerian English accent, because if you don't include it, it might just use another foreign accent for you. I'll go ahead and click send and wait for it to generate the video. You can see that Flow AI have gone ahead to generate the video. So I'm going to click on it to open it. So look at the final result. Let me play the video.
Imagine creating an AI video avatar of yourself that talks, blinks, and makes hand gestures.
You can see this is actually amazing. You could see the way it's blinking, the voice, the hand gestures, everything looks so real. And make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how to sound like yourself. Now, another fantastic thing with Flow AI is that you can actually extend the video. So just click on this plus sign right here and then click on extend. You can see that they want you to type the prompt to extend the video. So I'm going to go ahead and type the prompt here. So you can see in this prompt, I added the next thing it's going to say. Look at where I added it. And you can see this extend button here because it's going to extend the original video it created for us. So I'll go ahead and click on send and wait for it to generate. So you can see it has extended the video for me. So from 8 seconds to 16 seconds. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Let me play it so you can watch the full video.
Imagine creating an AI video avatar of yourself that talks, blinks, and makes hand gestures. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own lookalike AI avatar for free using.
So now you will notice that there's a little mistake when it's moved to the next frame. So what you're going to do, you're just going to download the video and just edit it in your video editing app. Because remember, AI is not perfect. You as a human being still need to edit the video a little bit. And I'm going to show you in the next step how to actually go about it. And remember to watch this video to the end. Remember what I told you, that I'm going to show you a trick on how to use your own personal voice so it can sound like you when creating your AI avatar video. I'll click here to download the video. Go ahead and open CapCut and import the video into CapCut. I'll drag the video to the timeline, then crop it a little bit to hide the watermark. Listen to the video and cut out any mistake. Just select Ctrl B on your keyboard to cut it. Also place the arrowhead on the next place to cut and then click on Ctrl B on your keyboard. Select the clip you want to delete and click on the backspace on your keyboard to delete it. After cutting out all the mistakes, you can just click on the export button to export it for your use. I like to select 1080p and then you can give it a name and then export the video. Now, one more thing. Remember I told you that you can actually use your own voice. So how do you actually achieve that? What I will want you to do is just use any audio recording app and record your voiceover you want to use. Save the audio and then import it into CapCut. So I'll go ahead and import the voiceover I've recorded. After importing it, bring it to the timeline. So what you're going to do next is that you're going to create a compound clip and then you extract the audio from the AI avatar video and delete it. So what is now remaining is my recorded audio with my own personal voice. But if you're using the free version, you might not have the extract audio feature because it's a paid feature. So what you're going to do is very simple. Just pay attention. Just select your video and then come over to audio and reduce the volume to 0. Do the same for all the other clips. You will not be left with your video of your avatar without audio and then the voiceover you have recorded with your audio editing app. Then after that, just play the video and make sure that the video actually syncs with your audio. And you can make changes wherever you need to sync the video with the audio. So once you are done, go ahead and export the video. This is the final result.
Imagine creating an AI video avatar of yourself that talks, blinks, and makes hand gestures. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own lookalike AI avatar for free using simple AI tools.
Imagine creating an AI video avatar of yourself that talks, blinks, and makes hand gestures. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your own lookalike AI avatar for free using simple AI tools. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more wonderful videos like this. And click on the video on the screen right now to watch the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.